Hey, what's happened now? Where are you going?
It's all under control. Okay, calm down. Calm down.
Right, girls, come on, I said we're going in, you're getting wet. Where's Lily?
She's back.
Lily? Where's she gone? Lily? Lily?
David, you don't want to blow yourself up, and I know you don't want to blow us up.
I said stand back!
Think of Kylie, David. What would she say if she could see you now?
Move away, now!
Oh, you can't take that. We've not finished it yet.
Everyone, leave it.
What's he doing? What's he doing?
David!
What's he doing? What's he doing?
Shit.
Lily! Lily!
I'm so sorry. I didn't know they'd be able to get to the back gate. I took my eyes off them for like 1 second.
Gary, can you hear me? Oh, God.
I'll go and check on the girl.
Yeah, there's been a crash. Coronation Street in Liverpool. Corner of Rosamond Street. Yeah, there are people injured here.
Okay, Lily, we have to get in. Let's get you out first. Come on. Get in.
What the hell?
Don't worry. The emergency services will be here soon. Look, you stay here. I'll go and see if they need my help.
Kev. Petrol. One spark and it's going to go up.
Hey, everyone get back! Petrol on the floor is too dangerous.
Gary!
He must be dead. He's killed him.
We could lift the car.
You are? There's enough of us. We can lift the car. Get it off them.
Yeah, yeah.
Right, come on, everyone. We're going to lift the car up.
I'm going to lift it.
Very good spot. Get a good grip.
Luke, come on. Everyone get organised.
Luke, this side.
Are we ready?
Lift with your legs, come on.
Steady.
Hang on a minute. Can you feel your fingers and wiggle your toes?
Sally, we're ready to go.
Yeah, I just want to make sure we don't do more harm than good.
Yeah, I can feel my fingers and toes. Let's do this,
Yeah,
please.
he's ready.
Right, on my count, after 3. 1, 2, 3, lift!
No, just a bit more, please.
All right, I've got it.
Hold it.
Okay, we've got it.
She'll come on.
Okay, I've got her. Quick. I've got her. Here we go.
3, 1, 2, 3,
That's it, yes.
Okay, it's free. Come on, get out. Come and help me, somebody.
Someone come around here now. Quick.
Quick.